What's good, guys? Your boy Professional Gunners Outdoors. I'm your host, Kyle Samuel, and today we do another video. We're at the gun range right now. Y'all probably can't hear the shots right now, but we're at the gun range. Sorry, I'm probably talking real loud. I have these things in my ear, but anyways, we're gonna be patterning our shotguns in today. So, yeah, so let's get into the video and let's go. Let's get it. Yeah. What is it? 25 yards. 25 yards, 3-inch number 1.
25 yards, Remington 3-inch number 1. Hello, baby.
What is
This is the same shell I shot in the Versa Max.
okay, 3-inch number 1.
When you compare it to the Versa Max.
Alright guys, before y'all even watch this clip, I'm gonna stop it right here. I'm gonna give y'all tell you what happened basically. So I was shooting a 3.5 double X's, double aught buck, and I haven't shot a 3.5 shell since hunting season. So I was kind of underestimating the shell, and like I wasn't really thinking. So the way I hold this gun, as you see it, the way I hold this gun is completely wrong. Completely wrong. I'm not leaning in to the gun or nothing. It's just on my shoulder. I'm kind of leaning back, as you see in the video. And I was not prepared at all. So I'm just gonna say that before y'all see this clip, and just watch this clip. It's gonna be funny a little bit.
3.5-inch double aught, double X.
That thing kicked me.
Versa Max, 16 pellets, Remington 2 3/4 inch. Number 1 buck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the 16.
10 out of 16. And this is the double X,
3.5 inch.
How many pellets are there?
I'll have to look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15. There's probably like 16 in there.
Maybe.
I'll probably correct myself.
Well, I don't know what that is.
Is that 2 pellets?
No.
That ain't bad.
That's really good.
Actually pretty good.
That's 2. It's just squeezing in together.
This is
the Remington 1100 with the same shell as the first one. 16 number 1 bucks, 2 3/4 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. All 16 in the card. That's 1100.
so as y'all seen, my gun does not shoot good with M1s. I always knew it shot good with double locks, but you got how many triple locks do you have?
Whole box.
Let me try one.
3-inch triple locks.
3-inch triple locks. Have not patterned this or even shot this before, so I want to see how this really shoots in my gun. 3-inch triple lock by Remington. Remington. So
10 pellets.
yeah, so that's what I'm gonna shoot next.
Pellets, 25 yards.
So 3-inch Versa Max, 10 pellets out of the Versa Max.
Pellets, 25 yards, 1100.
Let's get this.
Okay, so this is the Versa Max.
3-inch triple lock.
3-inch triple lock. 1, 2,
This shell is no joke.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So 10,
10
all 10. Within what?
within the width of my hand.
Man, that's crazy. You got some, like one down there, one up, two up there, but still.
10.
Basically 10. Alright, now this is the Mossberg triple lock, 3-inch triple lock, 10 pellets.
1, 2, 3,
That's 4
4.
tightly.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
So is it 9?
Yeah, I think it's 9.
9.
It's pretty too.
1100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that 10 right there? I think
Yeah,
that's 10.
It
I
might
think
be.
Yeah,
I think that's 10.
I
yeah,
think it might be 10.
it's 10.
That's 10.
It's still good.
Okay, we got a double aught Winchester,
Yep.
3-inch,
Yep.
and 50 yards out of the Mossberg 935.
Yep.
Full choke.
Yep. Good job, Kai.
All the way down there.
Alright, so this is double aught buck, 3-inch. Oh, so it's 3-inch double aught buck, Winchester. I said that backwards, but who cares? Yeah. So we got 10 out of 12 on the target, which is not bad. Alright. Now you ready?
Dixie slug try balls, 50 yards out of the Remington Versa Max.
Let's see if you can see those holes. Nah, I don't think you can see it. But
Number 4 buck, 3-inch Remington, 50 yards out of the Remington 1100. 30-inch barrel, full choke.
alright guys, so y'all probably just heard a new shell. Y'all probably don't know what this shell is, but he said Dixie tri balls. What a Dixie tri ball is, it's a 60 caliber. It's 3 60 caliber pellets and a 3-inch shell.
Probably dry. Try balls are 1, 2.
So the third one must be down here somewhere.
Yeah, third one must have been a little lower.
Alright.
Yeah,
Okay.
these ones.
See what those holes are? Those are what Dixie tri balls do.
So, number 4.
Like I was saying before, the Dixie tri balls, they're 60 caliber balls. We only could find 2, but there's 3 of these, and just imagine you hitting a deer with these. They're really accurate. They really stay really together. Just at 50 yards, we shot them. It was just a little bit low, so they are heavy though. Whew. But yeah, so Dixie tri balls, 60 caliber balls, just crazy.
Really?
So guys, that's it for the range. So recap what we did. We shot in 3 guns today. Both Mossberg 935, Remington 1100, and Remington Versa Max. So sighted those, patted those in today, and that's really it. I'm really proud of today. Today was a successful day with the shells that we shot. I know what shells I should and should not use right now, so that's good. And thank y'all for watching. I want to thank y'all guys for watching. If you like the video, please hit that thumbs up. If you like the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And y'all, thank y'all guys for watching. And check out my previous videos. I got 2 previous videos. Y'all can check those out. They'll probably be at the end of this video, so they'll probably pop up somehow. And yeah, so I'll see y'all guys later.